I like coming here because the teachers are very supportive in getting us to places that we want to be, like in our education level, because they have more focused knowledge on careers that we want to do. Initially, when I was in cybersecurity, even after I became interested and wanted to do it, I didn't know much about the job field or what would be involved. But this year, I started doing a competition called Cyber Patriot that my teacher introduced me to, which basically simulates real-life scenarios where we have to defend a computer system and like find weak points. If you know what you want to do, or even if you don't, the teachers here have a lot more knowledge about the career path you're looking for, so they'll definitely be able to give you more advice or better teach you about what you will want or what it will be like than your regular high school would. It means a lot that my teachers support me in whatever choices I make and any decisions that they help me come to. Giving me the opportunity to take my certifications, I wouldn't normally ever learn about them without researching it on my own at first, and I would also have to pay for it on my own. My KISD is dependable.